Hello, welcome to this step-by-step video guide using YouTube in teaching and learning. This video is designed for beginners. Hopefully it will help you to publish your resources or video for the first time. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is actually the first video of a series of videos that I will release, which encompass all these 5 items here. So this first video would talk about a little bit about background related to YouTube, some additional technical information related to uploading YouTube video, criteria of a YouTube video, and then there will be a dedicated videos relating to the setup, talking about the materials, the hardware, software, things that you need before you begin to record and eventually publish it. And then we will look into recording, uploading, and also eventually to the publishing part of that YouTube video. Okay, alright, I think all of us know about YouTube. Okay, it's a video sharing platform and was founded back in 2005. As of last year, 2019, YouTube was ranked as the second most visited website in the world. So it's really a big deal behind Google. But this is not actually a surprise because YouTube also owned by Google themselves. So I think there's that influenced the numbers of visitors to YouTube. Okay, when we visit a YouTube video, it allows us when we visit a YouTube website, it allows us to do these 8 things. First, YouTube allows you to upload video. YouTube allows you to view video, other people's video, and then after you view it, you might want to rate it, like or dislike. Okay, you have those things. And then you can share if you wanted to share that. They have a share function that you can share directly to your other social media account, or copy and paste the link and then post it or embed it into your website or any other platform. And then in YouTube, if you have a category, you can categorize your favorite videos. Okay, save it as playlists, and there's a place where you can actually lodge report if there's video actually has broken the rule, or the content is not appropriate, okay, against the YouTube license. Okay, you can do a report on that. And of course, a lot of people will do this, comment on the videos. I've used this to get feedbacks from students. Sometimes I've asked them to discuss, to do forum discussion in this comment section as well. And this is what all YouTubers are trying to get, much more subscriber. Okay, so YouTube allows you to subscribe to other YouTuber. Okay, so these are the 8. Okay, the 8 the item that what you can do or you are allowed to do on YouTube. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, additional facts about YouTube. Okay, this is some technical knowledge related to files that can be uploaded onto YouTube. So these are the files that can be uploaded, but not to worry about this, because a lot of this video camera, our phone, they are actually their default format or normally this format, so you can actually straight away post it or upload it onto YouTube. Okay, so but just to show that these are there are file formats which is unsupported by YouTube. Again, audio files like MP3 songs, okay, audio video, it is not it can't be uploaded onto YouTube. You need to convert it into video format, then you can upload it. This is where you can see, when you search in YouTube, there are lyric video that specifically on songs and There's no video presentation, just song, because it is able to be viewed because it's already been converted into video format. Okay, all right, to be, I think this we have experienced all of this. Where can you view YouTube? I think it's everywhere now. First and foremost is, of course, you can view YouTube on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, regardless the brand what it is. All PCs and laptop, they comes with internet browser, or if they don't come with one, you can just simply install this: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and amongst other. So you need an internet browser to view YouTube, because without it you can't actually view YouTube. But for mobile phone, regardless it is Android or iOS, okay, there is a dedicated application for YouTube that you need to install if it's not installed, pre-installed on your phone. Okay, that is in terms of application. And of course on mobile phone you do have the option to view YouTube from an internet browser. Same, okay, we do have Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. All these things are also have a version in mobile phone, but of course the viewing experience is far less if you view that YouTube on its native application. But you know, regardless, okay, these are the option. You have more option on mobile phone. And then of course other device viewing, YouTube viewing platform would be Apple TV, and smart TV. Normally a lot of TV now are becoming smarter, and then it comes with application, YouTube application, so it makes YouTube viewing much more convenient on your TV when it has an internet connection enabled. Okay, so amongst other devices, so there's a lot of option nowadays that you can watch YouTube from. Okay, all right, this is much more technical in terms of the video quality in YouTube. Okay, sometimes we might wonder what are the choices of video quality. Okay, it really matters because it contributes towards our viewing experience. Okay, it started with 144p. P stands for pixel. Okay, the higher the pixel it goes up here, the more vivid, the more clearer the video quality, the more high definition. High, as you can see here, starting from 1080p. They have an icon here that has HD stands for high definition, and 2160p stands for 4K resolution. So much more clearer, much more nice viewing. Okay, in terms of a layman language. Okay, the more pixel you have, the more clearer, or the more nicer the video quality is. But then again, it comes with a price in terms of, with the more pixel that you have in a video, it's also correlate directly to the size of the video, which actually correlates towards your data used for it. It really matter if you are using mobile phone. Okay, but if you are using the Unify, Streamix, or all those broadband, so it doesn't really matter. But if you have a limited sources of mobile data, so it really matter which one that you wanted to view that video, which one. So this just to show you the video quality onto YouTube. All right, okay, this is where the user knowledge about data comes in handy. How much data does YouTube use in an hour? Okay, this is from the sources in NB & Co, Australian, and also IP Star Broadband, Australian company. Okay, they come out with this guideline. Okay, one video approximately, if it is 3 minutes, okay, it will require in 4K resolution 135 MB, as opposed for the 480p. Okay, still clearer, it's just 32.2 MB. So there's a lot of huge difference, and it really matter if you are on a mobile plan with limited data. Okay, so knowing this is really important. Okay, because the difference is quite huge in terms of data, the size of data. So when we expect people, or for example students, to view our video, okay, maybe we ought to advise them to set the resolution to lower, or lower resolution if they are on limited data plan, for example. So this is again a translation of all this within 1 hour, and also in terms of megabyte and also gigabyte. All right, so that is in hours. So the knowledge of this help you to plan, to maybe you want to break the chunk of your YouTube video into several parts, so it won't be really heavy in one go. Okay, how long will 1 GB of data last on YouTube? So this is from whistleout.com.au. 1 GB of data, gigabyte of data, lasts around, if you are going for this 480p, to 227.27 minutes, equivalent to 2.78 hours. So it's quite a lot actually. So as you go by, as you increase the quality viewing, it will be much more decrease in terms of the minute, okay, because of the data consumed by the increase in the quality of pixel contributes directly towards the data. So like I said before, it really matters if you are using a mobile, prepaid, or broadband. Okay, if you are on a limited plan, that would actually makes a lot of difference. So knowing this can plan the user viewing to select which one is appropriate for your data plan. Okay, this is just a brief. There will be a video related to uploading, a demonstration video later on in other video, but this is just to give a background of what is the length of YouTube video that you can upload. So it by default it is 15 minutes long. Okay, by default it is 15 minutes long. For verified account, can upload more than that, more than 15 minutes, and with a maximum of 128 gigabyte or 12 hours, whichever is less. Okay, so I guess we won't go up to this maximum, I think. Okay, that is in terms of uploading. So focusing within this 15-minute marks is advisable. As I see it, most of the video that I uploaded, the longest is a lecture that I did around 1 hour, which is, when I look at it, it's quite lengthy. And then I began to break it down into smaller, shorter period of videos. All right, this is I include this slides here is maybe for us to advise our viewer, our audience, if they were to be it the students, for example, if you have they are on limited data data plan. Okay, they have the limited data on their prepaid, for example. Okay, they want to save on data, so they can actually do proactive measure to reduce the mobile data usage. Okay, this is a screen capture of my Android YouTube application that to access the how to access the function. Okay, these are the one that I circle in red according to each of these steps on how you reach to this last part here to limit your data, where if you are using on a mobile, for example, if you do this step, you would limit your mobile data. When you view YouTube video on your mobile data, it will not view the higher definition. Okay, it will only be viewable if you are viewing it using Wi-Fi. So you might want to slide this to enable this limit mobile data usage. Okay, so when you are connected to Wi-Fi, then your YouTube application will able you to view it in high definition. But as long as you are on your mobile data connection, the high definition video will not be activated. So it actually really means a lot. I think not a lot of us know this function that we can use to limit the the data, especially for those mobile prepaid user audience of ours. Alright, so this last slide is related to what you need to prepare for the next video. Okay, before we begin to do more on the technical stuff in terms of demonstration that I'll show. Okay, first of course we need to plan and prepare related materials. Okay, you need to put everything in hand first, put everything in PowerPoints, things that you want to display or share on your laptop screen, on your PC screen. Okay, you need to prepare all those things in advance. Okay, and after that you need to decide on what are screen recorder, that software that you want. We will talk about this later when we on the next video. Okay, the screen recorder, so for you to familiarize how to use that screen recorder. Okay, and then of course all of us would have a Gmail account by now, and we will activate or create a YouTube channel using your Gmail account. Okay, when you upload video on YouTube, when you sign in using your Gmail account, before you upload video you need to create a channel, so you need to name that channel, so for you to be identified in YouTube. So it's quite simple. Alright, so I think this video will stop until here. Okay, it will be continued to the in the next video, which will continue to the part of how to create or how to prepare. What are the things that you need to prepare first? Okay, all the screen recorder, all the setup needed. Okay, in the next video we will talk about that. All right, thank you very much and see you.